Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us this morning for the Student Spotlight Assembly and our Renaissance Assembly. During this assembly, we expect students to give their full attention to the speakers and please be respectful to the students receiving their awards. We will recognize students this morning that have exhibited excellence in academics and school citizenship. These students have displayed excellence in character and assist daily in making Winslow Junior High School a welcoming place. The awards presented this morning are given from the second trimester. If you're presenting, please introduce the next staff member once you have finished presenting your awards. And for our first awards recognition, I'd like to introduce Mrs. Hersom.
Good morning, everyone. All right, this student is consistently respectful, courteous, and considerate. She goes out of her way to be kind to others. She greets her teachers with a good morning every day and sincerely cares about those around her. Lizzie Roberson is reliable, honest, and has a heart of gold. We would like to recognize Lizzie for brightening the school with her wonderful smile and positive attitude. All right, next I'd like to have Team 7 come up.
Hello. Good morning. How are you? I'm great, thank you. All right. All right. This 7th grade student is gracious and cheerful every single day. She is helpful to her fellow classmates and teachers, at times demonstrating lots of patience and a good sense of humor. She is always on task, striving to take each lesson to heart and produce solid work. She makes good contributions to class discussions. This student started her 7th grade year out a bit on the quiet side, but she is clearly coming into her own, gaining in confidence and becoming a good self-advocate. Team 7 is very happy to shine the spotlight on Kayla Giroux. And now Missy.
No, that's okay.
And now not Missy.
Feel it. Two. Okay.
Mr. Wolf.
Okay, so our next student spotlight. This student works hard in every class, comes prepared to learn, and engage in every classroom activity and discussion. He can sometimes ask higher level questions, showing he is really thinking about what is being discussed and applying it. You can frequently see him with a smile and always seem to be having a good time. This student will excel at whatever he decides to do as an adult. Team 7 would like to congratulate Frank Farnham.
Okay, next we have Team 8. At least someone does. Good morning.
Our first 8th grade recipient is being recognized by Team 8 for the month of February and March for their exceptional work in the classroom. This student is a very strong student who is diligent and hardworking. She regularly communicates with her teachers and advocates for herself to ensure she's working at her best. She asks excellent questions to improve herself. She's social, she's friendly, and she's loyal to her peers. The 8th grade team appreciates Delana's love of music and enjoys the conversations that stem from this love. Keep working hard, Delana, and is she not here? Come on up.
Next student we would like to recognize is being recognized for the month of February for being an all-around great human being. This student comes to school each day with a positive attitude and greets every one of her teachers daily with genuine interest. When it comes to work ethic, this student is top-notch. She consistently produces high-quality work that shows how much she cares about her academics. On top of doing a phenomenal job in the classroom, the student is very generous and shares her learning with her peers, always helping others who might be struggling with a concept. This student is a bright spot in every day, and Team 8 appreciates everything you bring to Winslow Junior High School, and I would like to add, because I hear this every day, happy birthday, Meta. And now Mr. Martin.
Hello, everyone. Greetings. All right, so the student that I have, honestly, is just a great person overall. This person is being recognized by Team 8 for the month of February for their great contributions to the 8th grade. Team 8 appreciates this person's curious and personable nature. They are engaged in their learning on a daily basis and work hard to be consistent in all classes. This person never shies away from asking questions to make certain they have a thorough understanding of the material presented, enabling them to do their best. This person engages in thoughtful, genuine conversations with all of their teachers and appreciates the opportunity they have been given to get to know this person beyond their academics. In addition to a super personality, this person is a great leader and leaves an impact in all of their classes. I would like to say congratulations to Kyle Well.
Our last recipient is being recognized for some self-started improvement, which we're really proud of. This student has done a lot over the last month or so to improve his work and focus. He's worked hard to become a strong advocate for his learning and uses this advocacy to make him better each day. We appreciate this student's humor. He makes us laugh every single day. And we want him to know that the effort that you are putting in right now is noticed, and we appreciate how you can lighten our day every day. Keep pushing yourself to your full potential, Ribbon, because we believe great things lie ahead for you. I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Bruce.
one faculty member this morning for our faculty spotlight. Mr. Wood is being recognized for his outstanding work at Winslow Junior High School. Mr. Wood demonstrates a high level of professionalism daily with his work. Mr. Wood is a fantastic role model for his students and co-workers and is greatly appreciated for all his contributions to Winslow Junior High School. Thank you, Mr. Wood. At this time, I'll introduce Mrs. Lambert and Mrs. Gagnon for the Renaissance portion of the assembly.
Good morning again. We would like to welcome everyone, all of you, students, teachers, administrators, and staff, to our Trimester 2 Renaissance Assembly for the 2022-23 school year. We're here for the second time this year to recognize and applaud outstanding scholastic achievement at Winslow Junior High School. Students being recognized today show dedication to their learning through consistent and active participation in their classes. This hard work produces work of high quality and demonstrates learning that exemplifies academic excellence. In addition to the importance these students place on their academic learning, they also make great social choices that exhibit respectful, responsible, and safe behavior, and this happens on a daily basis. The work these students put in on a daily basis contributes to our positive school community.
Today, we will recognize 91 Winslow Junior High students in grades 7 and 8 for their outstanding achievement during Trimester 2. The students being recognized today have earned honor roll in one of 3 levels: high honors, honors, and honorable mention. In addition to strong academic achievement, these students have demonstrated a commitment to being model citizens within our school community.
Before we get to the awards, we want to take a moment to both recognize and thank the many business sponsors and parent sponsors that support our program each year. It's through these generous donations that we are able to provide recognition during our Renaissance assemblies throughout the school year. Many of these businesses and parent donors have donated and supported our program for many years. Our school community greatly appreciates the generosity and the support, especially during this difficult time. Students, as you proudly use your discount cards, be sure to thank our sponsors for their kindness and their continued support. We'd also like to give you a reminder of what the different cards mean. So the honor roll levels and the criteria for getting that. So if you have received the high honors, that's a gold card, and those students have earned all A's. If you've received honors, that's a silver card, and that goes to students who have earned all A's and B's. And then the honorable mention is the orange card, and that goes to students who have earned A's and B's. They can have 1 C, but that C has to be offset with an A. So that is the levels. And now, without further ado, we will read the 7th grade list.
For high honors, we'll have you stand at the end, okay? So high honors: Hallie Blackstone, Brody Brockway, Alexander Davis, Bullen Farnham, Frank Farnham, Tylee Latham, Catherine Martin, Brooklyn Mishu, Cody St. Pierre. Congratulations.
And I'll read the honors list for 7th grade. Michaela Acorn, Haley Bucher, Skyla Bunker, Casper Chartrand, Jacob Kaufman, Olivia Coldwell. Emma Fales, Jack Flaherty, Colby Gibbs, Kayla Giroux, Cruz Hamilton, Danica Holmes, Natalie Hussey, Natalie Lagasse, Adriana Lombardi, Aria Marks, Quincy Nesbitt, Oliver Olson, Silver Picard, Eva Marie Panette, Benjamin Schmidt, Simo Tovola, Owen Bigu, and Lawson Violet.
Thank you. Honorable mention, Piper Banda, Abigail Bertone, Olivia Hayden, Anna Jenkins, Jacob Jordan, Jackson Lizotte, Benjamin Powell, Rayleigh Starkey, Isabella Vayu, and Braylon Waters. Congratulations.
All right, and now we'll go to the 8th grade list. High honors for 8th grade, Meadow Bradbury, Ava Fortuna, Sam Gagne, Abigail Harrington, Mira Meek, Renton O'Toole, Brody Peasley, Reese Siola, and Max Williger.
For honors, Evan Barlow, Kara Bilodeau, Carter Calvo, Brianna Castagnetto, Maylee Cruz, Landon Davis, Jameson Delisle, Minx Erickson, Delana Farron, Davani Kimball, Talia LaChance, Nevaeh LaCroix, Pearson Laverdier, Stanley LeClaire, Isabella Lubier, Cadence McKinney, Quincy Morin, Tenley Netto, Julia Ortons, Elena Rio, Isabella Robinson, Elliot Stepp, Peyton Stewart, Benjamin Thomas, Camden Termel, and Kyle Wildman.
And the 8th grade, honorable mention, Jason Filer, Donovan Hamlet, and Morgan Henderson. Just to recap, so if your name was called off for this assembly, you will receive your Renaissance envelopes in either Mrs. Lambert's class or my class, so you'll get those today. So I'll pass those out to you. Mrs. Lambert will in her classes.
So let's also give a round of applause to Mrs. Lambert and Mrs. Gagnon for their hard work. Congratulations to all the recipients this morning, and that does conclude the Student Spotlight and Renaissance Assembly.